Assistant Minister, Housing and Local Government, Chairman of members of National Fire Authority Board, the Chief Executive Officer, Executive Management, and staff of National Fire Authority, Legislative Committee, Neturaman Taltal, officials of provincial offices, Maciu and Nalumisa, representatives from district office in Navua, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen. Takonalabo, Numbul Nausak. Very good morning to you. Before I left the office this morning, I could see heavy clouds surrounding our area. And I was just wondering what the weather will be like when I reach Navua. I'm so blessed this morning for the provisions that God has provided us this morning. The cool weather we have this morning is ideal for this occasion. Klaim da wana Maciu le wana kalo. Uksa tuna vivaro tagi vikenda. Singa no kasa kaniko. We also blessed this morning that we also have Assistant Minister. Assistant Minister, your presence this morning really brings life to the people of Nabukebuke and the people of Korole. I'm so pleased to see that the National Fire Authority has taken major steps towards this new infrastructure, especially here in Navua. This is one of the critical services required to work towards Navua being declared as a town in the future. Ladies and gentlemen, to have Navua declared a town and for the residents of Navua to pay rates, we need few central areas in place. One, we need an upgraded road within the central business district, including Naitoni areas, construction of a fire station, a new advisory scheme plan, which shall establish places for transport, car park, and town hall facility. The new advisory scheme plan has been designed by the Department of Town and Country Planning, and based on the outcome, construction planning shall be commencing. The Ministry of Housing and Local Government wants to ensure that before the declaration of Navua to become a town, basic town facilities are in place so that ratepayers and users of Navua town are able to receive the proper services in their proposed municipality. Ladies and gentlemen, the pandemic had delayed some very important development projects here in Navua. But today, we are so happy, we are so blessed to see that the National Fire Authority has taken the initiative to continue with this specific project. National Fire Authority has been progressively replacing such fire stations with permanent facilities, and the same applies to Navua. They're ensuring that essential services is available, which enhances the potential for socio-economic growth in this area. The people of Navua, particularly those within the National Fire Authority's fire boundary, who have invested in ensuring their properties against fire, will recognize the benefit once the new and modern fire station is established in this very area. All the surrounding communities in Navua will also be able to access a modernized fire station and service delivery from the new Navua fire station. Whilst the Navua fire boundary is small, National Fire Authority has reviewed its capability in line with extensive development outside the existing boundary. The economic zone in the Navua district has increased since the establishment of the Navua fire boundary in 2003. Ladies and gentlemen, for every new development, there is history to appreciate. The Navua Volunteer Brigade commenced early in 1996 with National Fire Authority's Training Department conducting firefighting training here in Navua. I could vividly remember because at the time I was still at university, and I have relations who volunteered to be part of the institution. And I think I can see some of them here today. Ladies and gentlemen, it is understood that the Navua Volunteer Brigade was stationed at the Heartbreak Hotel. Heartbreak Hotel is just down the road. Building through a goodwill arrangement between the Navua district officer and the building owner. There were around 10 volunteer firefighters. And I think there were some very good stories that some of these volunteer firefighters shared. If you sit around a bowl of Vengona, they'll share some very good stories. Maybe after this, be able to share some very good stories with us. For the CEO and the chairman to also know. Due to renovations required for that building, the fire brigade was moved to rented premises at Valia Junction along the Queen's Highway. Soon after that, on a goodwill arrangement with the Navua district office, the Navua Fire Brigade was relocated to a building in the main town of Navua, just beside the Navua post office and the bus station. In 2017, all the volunteers who had served with the Navua Fire Brigade completed 5 weeks bridging program and were absorbed as permanent firefighters. Following structural integrity issues of the building, the Navua Fire Station was relocated in 2021, close to the old Navua Hospital along Winnonokonoko Road. And this is where it operates from today. While this new and permanent station is completed, there is now a total of 19 firefighters allocated to the Navua fire station. I hope you all now have a better understanding of the plight of our Navua Fire Brigade, and more so, the determination of the National Fire Authority Board and Management to secure a more permanent location for its Navua operation. Ladies and gentlemen, this development is timely and has been designed to cater for this rapidly developing urban center and its neighboring districts. The new complex will greatly facilitate the work of our bold firefighters as they continue to faithfully serve the people of Navua and the neighboring communities. The true value of these facilities lies with all of us, not only with National Fire Authority, with all of us, the people of Navua. It will require all stakeholders to partner with National Fire Authority in ensuring fire safety compliance of your properties. Your employees are trained to react correctly in the event of a fire incident. This is essential given the wide geographic spread of Navua and the provinces of Namosi as well as Serua. Ladies and gentlemen, in conclusion, today's groundbreaking ceremony offers us an excellent opportunity to acknowledge the support of the public, private and public sector. Your valued commitment and partnership for the safety of a beautiful community against fire hazards and other emergencies is appreciated. By working together, we can help to address the fire safety issues in Navua's diverse community. And I applaud and I thank efforts and the dedication of the team at the Navua, at the National Fire Authority, as well as here at the Navua Fire Station. Let us continue to build pathways that will contribute to a fire-safe and secured nation. Ladies and gentlemen, I now declare this site to be ready for the construction of the new Navua Fire Station. May God bless National Fire Authority. May God bless us all. May God bless Fiji. Noksabalik.
Strategic management, it provides